Joining us now with more is financial expert Terry Savage. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning. Now that the stock market has gotten everyone's attention, heaving a little sigh of relief today. I think we should put this in perspective. We were down about 2.5%, but 3% at one point during the day. Down 1,000 points gets your attention. I do remember being above the trading floor with my camera crew in October 19th, 1987, when the Dow lost 22.5% in one day. It was only 508 points then, but that was a real shock back then. So we are still within 7-8% of all-time highs, depending on the index you're using. This is just a wake-up call. And I think I'd like to give a little bit of advice this morning, if that's okay with you guys.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sure.
All right. Now, let me sort yourselves out. I am really talking to you, each and every one of you who has a 401k or an IRA. If you are under 60, you can now go on to something else. You can worry about the weather because you're going to keep contributing on your regular schedule. Nobody knows if the market is going to go higher or lower. Over the long run, it will move higher. It always has. So you folks don't have to worry. But I've gotten so many worried posts on my Ask Terry blog at terrysavage.com. Here's what I realized. Many people are saying, should I sell out of my 401k now or my IRA? Do not take money out of your retirement account. That triggers a taxable event. But look at what you have inside your account. If you have an IRA, you may want to move more money from the stock portion right now into the money market fund. If you're in a 401k, you have fewer safe choices because 401ks are designed to grow younger workers' money. But they might have a money market fund or a very, very short-term, 2 years or less bond fund, and you could move some money in there. Here's a big warning, and I just wrote a column last week. It's up at terrysavage.com. Beware of target date funds. You think you told them you were retiring in 2025, so they'd be very conservative now. Likely they still have 65, 70% in equities, stocks, because they know you're going to live a long life. But if you look at the price of that target date fund, and it's all mostly or heavily into stocks, it will go down. So don't think your target date fund protects you through retirement. Take a look at what's inside of it. Maybe sell out of some of the target date fund into a money market or short-term bond fund. In other words, stay inside your retirement account. But if you're at this stage now where you need to live on this money, this is not about being right or wrong about the market. It's about sleeping at night. This is a generation, remember, your parents retired with a pension check, reliable every month. You have to manage this money. Don't say, I don't want to look. This is a breathing room right here. The market will price your mutual funds at the close of business today. If you're too heavily exposed to the stock market and you can't sleep, within your retirement account, move a little to more conservative, what I call chicken money market funds, short-term bond funds.
All right, good
Sorry
advice.
for the long-winded thing, but I think people are panicking. You shouldn't panic. Young people don't move. Older people, take a look, see what's in there.
All right.
Older, Larry, that's you.
Thank you, Terry.
Thanks,
We'll let
Terry.
those older
Not you
people
yet.
know.
You guys, there are plenty of folks here looking and saying, this is all I've got. I can't sleep. That's when you know
That's
you need
exactly
to
right. All right, it's good advice, Terry. You can go to terrysavage.com if you want to post a question for her. Thank you. Hey, Morgan.
Hey, we're getting some of these bigger waves now on Lake Michigan beaches. Here's a look from our Evanston camera there looking over at some of those waves coming up, and we've got a high swim risk in place until 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Northeast wind is responsible for that. You've got temps in the 60s in Lake and McHenry County, 65 in McHenry, 68 degrees in Waukegan. We're starting to see some of that cooler air filter into northern Cook County. You can kind of see that green shading, and we'll see all of our temperatures drop off. It's 75 right now at the lakefront. In the next hour, we'll drop a few degrees, and we'll keep seeing those temps drop slowly from basically north to south. You can kind of see where all those winds are meeting together. At the bottom of your screen there, you've got a boundary set up with the south wind still in place, and you'll get into the warmest air further south today. Dew points are still